In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find Google Meet recordings in Google Drive. This straightforward process ensures that you can swiftly locate your recorded meetings, keeping all your valuable discussions and presentations organized and accessible whenever you need them. First, let's head over to Google Meet. You can do this by typing meetgoogle.com into your web browser's address bar, or you might already have it bookmarked for quick access. Once you are on the Google Meet homepage, your next step is to find the waffle icon. This is the grid of 9 small squares that you'll see in the top right corner of Google's interface. It's called the waffle menu, and it holds a variety of Google apps at your fingertips. Go ahead and click on that waffle icon. This will drop down a menu showcasing a selection of Google applications, ranging from Gmail and Calendar to Photos, and of course Google Drive. Access to Google Drive is essential here because that's where all your recorded Google Meet sessions are stored. Spot the Google Drive icon, which looks like a triangular symbol made of 3 colors, green, blue, and yellow. Clicking this icon will open up a new tab taking you directly to your Google Drive homepage. Once in Google Drive, you might wonder where exactly those recordings are located. By default, Google Meet recordings are saved in a folder called Meet Recordings. Look on the left-hand side of your Drive interface under My Drive to locate this folder. If you don't spot it immediately, try the search bar at the top of your Drive page. Simply type Meet Recordings and Google's Smart Search will help you locate it quickly. If your organized Drive setup leads you to a maze of folders, remember you can sort files by date to bring the newest recordings right up top. This trick is handy especially when you've had back-to-back meetings and need to identify specific sessions quickly. And there you have it, your recordings are now both found and at your fingertips, thanks to Google Drive's seamless integration with Google Meet. Make it a habit after each meeting to save, label, and store these files properly. A quick tip is to rename recordings based on the meeting's content or date for future reference. This tiny yet effective step ensures you maintain an efficient digital workspace and never lose track of your vital meeting records. Thanks for joining me today, and I hope this guide makes your virtual meeting management as smooth as possible. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe for more helpful tips just like this one. See you next time.